Wishtrip Game Wizard. Challenge Settings. The last screen in the Challenges pop-up is the Settings screen. Here, you can adjust the navigation mode and notification radius for each individual challenge. The navigation mode determines the best directions to the spot based on how you expect people to get there. The radius determines the distance at which players will see the challenge pop up. Since every challenge is linked to a specific site of interest, by default, the challenge will have the same settings as whatever you chose when you created the original site of interest. If this is what you want, just press Save without making any changes. However, you may wish the settings to be different in the game. For example, if people normally navigate to your site by car, but the game is based on foot, you can change it here to optimize the navigation and provide the best game experience. This will not affect how people visiting your site without playing your game will navigate. You may wish to change the radius in a case where you originally selected a large radius to encompass a spot with a big area. But for the game, you want to direct people to a specific place within that area, or want the challenge to be as precise as possible. Any changes you make to the settings here will override the site of interest settings for users while they are playing the game. Now check out the next video to learn how to finish and activate your game.